Claude Opus 4.6 is currently the #1 ranked AI model in the world. It normally costs $20 a month, but right now I am using it for free. No credit card, no trial, no tricks. And in this video, I will show you exactly how in under 5 minutes.
This platform is called Arena, formerly known as Chatbot Arena. It started as a research project at UC Berkeley and has grown into the most trusted public leaderboard for AI models in the world, with over 3 million monthly visitors. The way it works is simple. AI companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic put their best models here for public testing. You submit prompts, compare responses, and vote for the better one. Your votes power the leaderboard. But here is the part most people miss. You can also chat directly with any of these premium models, completely free.
Let me show you exactly how to do this. Step 1. Go to lmarena.ai. You do not need an account to start chatting, but I recommend signing in with Google so you can save your history and get higher usage limits. Step 2. Click on Direct Chat in the top menu. This is the mode that lets you choose a specific model instead of getting a random matchup. Step 3. Click the Model dropdown and select Claude Opus 4.6. That is it. You now have direct access to the #1 ranked AI model. Let me test it. I will ask it to write a Python script that organizes my downloads folder automatically. But here is the part most people miss. You can also chat directly with any of these premium models, completely free. Full working code from the #1 AI model in the world for $0. But Claude is not the only thing you get. Arena gives you access to GPT-5, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Grok, DeepSeek, and hundreds of other models, all free, all through this same interface. Here are 2 features on Arena that most people do not know about. First is Max. If you are not sure which model to use, select Max from the dropdown. It is an intelligent router that analyzes your prompt and automatically picks the best model for that specific task, based on over 5 million community votes. Second is Video Arena. You can generate AI videos for free up to 3 generations per day using models like Sora 2 and Veo 3. The clips are downloadable in up to 1080p. Here's that video of the polar bear I just generated. I love the super realistic quality on this one. Let me know what you guys think.
Now, let me be upfront about what you should know. First, there are rate limits. They vary by model and server load, and they are not publicly documented. In my experience, I can use a top model like Claude for about 15 to 30 minutes of active chatting before hitting a usage limit, which can result in a cooldown period of up to 50 minutes in my experience. Second, this is a research platform. Your conversations may be shared in public datasets for AI research. Do not enter passwords, private data, or anything sensitive. Third, the context window is smaller than what you get on a paid Claude plan. It is great for individual tasks, but not for uploading entire documents.
So that is how you use the #1 AI model in the world for free right now. I have linked Arena in the description below. Sign in with Google for the best experience. If this saved you money, subscribe. I post free AI tools every week, so you never have to overpay for AI again. And make sure to leave a like if you found value. I'll be seeing you in the next few days with another video just like this.